Well, the Jagan family drama has now reached New Delhi. YSR Congress Party Honorary President YS Vijayamma began her protest at Jantar Mantar in the national capital to oppose the government's decision to bifurcate Andhra Pradesh. Meanwhile, her son YSR Congress President YS Jagan Mohan Reddy's indefinite fast in jail has entered its third day today. Vijayamma and her party lawmakers are still dharna at Jantar Mantar demanding justice for all three regions, that is Andhra, Seemandhra and Telangana. Speaking to NewsX, Vijayamma slammed the Congress for bifurcating the state without taking all parties into confidence. Vijayamma says that the Congress is scared of her son Jagan and that he is being falsely implicated by the CBI at the behest of the Congress.
Only man in the family finding himself behind the bars in a disproportionate case, three women members of the late YS Rajashekar Reddy's family have taken over the mantle of the party and also of the business empire. I am now joined by YS Vijayamma, the mother of YS Jagan Mohan Reddy, who is the president of the YSR party. Madam, led a protest today in Jantar Mantar, and what is the demand? You met the president yesterday, the prime minister. You have been meeting leaders from various sections of political parties. So, what is your demand with regard to the Telangana statehood issue?
ఒకటేమా అంటే రెండు ప్రాంతాలకు సమానమైనటువంటి న్యాయం జరగాలి. ఈరోజు కాంగ్రెస్ పార్టీ ఎవరితోనూ ఏ పార్టీ వాళ్ళతోనూ చర్చించకుండా వాళ్ళ ప్రాతిపదిక ఏంటనేది కూడా ఎవరి ముందు పెట్టకుండా ఏ చర్చలు జరగకుండా ఉన్నపాటి నిర్ణయం తీసుకోవడం జరిగింది. ఈరోజు యాక్చువల్గా చెప్పాలంటే తెలంగాణలో సకల జనుల సమ్మెప్పటి నుంచి తెలంగాణ అనేది ఎక్కువ లేదు.
Are you coming to the Congress jumped the guns without discussing anyone or creating a separate Telangana state only for the political gains to get 15-16 seats in Telangana?
డెఫినెట్లీ అంటే ఈరోజు కేవలం ఒక జగన్ కోసం ఈరోజు మార్పులు చేస్తూ ఉన్నారు. ఒక జగన్ కోసం ఈరోజు అంటే పూర్తిగా ఉంటే ఇంకా ఎక్కువ పోతాయి సీట్లు అని చెప్పి ఈరోజు సపరేట్ చేస్తే కొన్ని సీట్లకు జగన్ పరిమితం చేసి ఈరోజు తెలంగాణ ఇస్తే 15 కాకపోయినా 10 వస్తాయని చెప్పి ఈరోజు ఓట్ల కోసం సీట్ల కోసం మాత్రమే కాంగ్రెస్ పార్టీ నిర్ణయం తీసుకుంది.
Do you think the Congress is scared because you said they created Telangana because of the fear of Jagan Mohan Reddy? Now they are keeping him in jail. So what does the Congress gain by keeping him in jail? Are they going to come to power? Are they just scared of Mr. Jagan Mohan's popularity and Mr. YS Rajashekar Reddy's popularity, still though he is not?
ఇవన్నీ కూడా రాజశేఖర రెడ్డి గారి పాపులారిటీ అయినా జగన్ బాబు పాపులారిటీ భయపడే ఇవన్నీ జరుగుతున్నాయి చేస్తా ఉన్నారు.
One last question about before I end. So do you think the Congress, you say that the Congress is targeting Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy. So what do the Congress gain by targeting him now with just elections, just 8 months, 9 months away? Are you hopeful that he will come out of the jail and lead the party in the 2014 elections?
నేను దేవుని నమ్ముతానమ్మా. గాడ్ ఈజ్ గ్రేట్. జగన్ బాబు బయటకు వస్తాడు. He will form a.
Meanwhile, YSR Congress Chief Jagan Mohan Reddy continues his fast in prison. He has now been in jail for well over 15 months, but continues to dominate the political discourse in Andhra Pradesh. Today is Jagan's third day of fast. As many as 3 bail pleas by Jagan have been rejected by both the Andhra Pradesh High Court and the Supreme Court. Remember, Jagan is arrested in connection with the controversial 6 government orders issued by YSR government that allegedly benefited Jagan's investors as quid pro quo. Jagan's assets, which were reported at 9.2 lakh rupees in the 2004 election declaration by his father YSR, zoomed to 77 crore rupees by 2009 and 365 crore rupees by 2011, a whopping 4,000 rupees fold increase in 7 years. Now, questions are now being raised about how Jagan continues to be in jail for so long. Is Jagan paying the price for defying Delhi, for setting up an eyeball-to-eyeball confrontation with the High Command? Is the CBI acting as a willing tool in the hands of the Congress to settle scores?
Right from the beginning, with the person who has come from the people, right? The occasion like what today is doing, even though innocently, see, there's already they said that the CBI parrot. No, parrot always talk something, whatever those people wanted to talk, and today he is, because of that parrot, he is in the jail.
Well, NewsX's ETV Sivapriyan joins us for more right now. Of course, Sivapriyan, you did speak to YS Vijayamma, the mother of Jagan Mohan Reddy, and she is confident that Jagan Mohan Reddy is going to be out of jail before the elections, and she is going to lead the party back to power in Andhra Pradesh, is what she said. And she said that the party is also going to win several Lok Sabha seats as well.
Yeah, well, Frank, the YSR Congress party is adopting a two-pronged strategy, whereas Jagan Mohan Reddy is fasting inside the jail, where he is lodged in a disproportionate assets case, and Vijayamma coming all the way from Hyderabad to Delhi to hold a protest, to meet people, starting from the president to the prime minister to other political leaders, and telling them that the Congress Working Committee's decision is not implementable. There is no need to bifurcate Andhra Pradesh. If you go by the political landscape of Andhra Pradesh, all the political parties, be it Congress or BJP or Telangana, they have in fact supported the Telangana cause. But if you take YSR Congress, this is the only party which is saying that now, no, we do stand for the united Andhra Pradesh and we don't want a separate Telangana state. So, YS Vijayamma's aim of coming all the way to Delhi is that to seek maximum political mileage out of this united Andhra Pradesh thing, and the sentiments are running high in the Seema Andhra and the coastal Andhra regions. So YSR Congress wants to take the complete political mileage. So that is why they are projecting as a single the only champions of a united Andhra Pradesh. So we saw YS Vijayamma coming here, and we also saw her talking about how her son is being victimized by the Congress and why the Congress took such a decision. She also said that the Congress took such a decision only because it's scared of Jagan and it wants some 15 to 16 seats in Telangana. So just because of those seats, the Congress is willing to a Telangana state by dividing Andhra Pradesh.
All right, Sivapriyan, what is the YSR-CP strategy now going forward? Of course, clearly there is no reprieve from the courts as far as Jagan Mohan Reddy is concerned, and the more he is behind bars, of course, the lesser the chances of the party to do well in the elections. So what is the strategy going to be going forward?
Yeah, the strategy is that the YSR Congress and the family, especially the YSR family, is very confident that once the CBI files the charge sheet, because the CBI has got time till the end of September to file the charge sheet according to the Supreme Court ruling. So the YSR family is very much confident that the charge sheet will be filed by September end this year, and after that the family will move the local CBI court to seek bail. So you remember, Frank, even in the 2G case, all the accused, including Kanimuri and A. Raja, were given bail only after the charge sheets were filed in the courts. So the YSR family is spinning on these hopes, and also even if he doesn't get released from the jail, the family will go to the people and say that this is what has happened to my son because he took on Congress President Sonia Gandhi. Because we have been seeing for the past 1.5 years, all the 3 women members of the family, be it Vijayamma or Sharmila, who is Jagan's sister, or Bharti, who is Jayan's wife, they have been crisscrossing the entire state of Andhra Pradesh, and they have been receiving rousing receptions wherever they are going. So it is to be seen how these support translate into votes, but it looks like as of now that Jagan Mohan Reddy has got some mileage ahead of other parties, Frank.
All right, ETV Sivapriyan, thank you so much for joining us there with all those details and bringing us up to date with the latest on that story as well that has come through from both Andhra Pradesh and Delhi. Let's now shift focus, of course, news.